According to the World Economic Forum, while 83 million jobs may become obsolete by the year 2027, 69 million new roles are expected to emerge thanks to the growth of AI and technology. And here's a snapshot of India's employability in the year 2024 in the technology domain, as per the India Skills Report 2024. A BE or BTech in IT and computer science clearly tops the employability chart among other domains. However, whether you're starting out or looking to shift gears professionally, cracking job opportunities in 2024 is not gonna be easy unless you acquire some specialized skills. In this video, we will be diving into those top 5 skills that will set you apart in the tech world. So watch it till the end and let's get started. First up, we have prompt engineering for large language models or LLMs. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into every aspect of technology, the ability to interact effectively with AI is going to be crucial. Prompt engineering is all about crafting inputs that generate the most useful and accurate outputs from AI models like ChatGPT or Gemini. Why is it important? Well, businesses are now leveraging AI for everything from customer service to generating code, and basically being able to speak AI's language can make you a highly valuable asset. So learning this skill can really boost your role in AI development, UX design and more. So check out our free prompt engineering course on Great Learning Academy here. Moving on to skill number 2, network security. With cyber threats growing more sophisticated every day, understanding network security basics like firewalls, VPNs, intrusion detection and monitoring tools is more critical than ever. Now, whether you are in IT support, a network administrator or a cybersecurity specialist, mastering these can help protect sensitive data and infrastructure from attacks, making you a guardian of the digital frontier. At number 3, we have data analysis. Now, this skill is invaluable across industries. Being proficient in tools like Excel and Tableau and knowing how to work in Python means that you can sense vast amounts of data generated every day. From financial forecasting to improving business efficiencies and beyond, data analysts hold the keys to unlocking the market trends and influencing strategic decisions. So this clearly is your ticket to being an in-demand professional. Fourth on our list are big data tools like Apache Spark, Hive and Hadoop. As organizations deal with increasingly large datasets, they need professionals who can manage and interpret this data. Learning these platforms will allow you to build scalable, efficient data processing jobs that can extract insights and drive big data solutions. This is a game changer for becoming a big data engineer or a data scientist. Last but definitely not the least is version control systems, specifically within DevOps. Tools like Git and GitHub are fundamental for software development and project management. They allow teams to collaborate efficiently, track changes and manage code across various versions. If you are looking into a career in software engineering or project management, these tools are indispensable. So there you have it, folks. Top 5 skills to learn in 2024. These skills are not just about keeping up with the trends, but they're about setting yourself up for a successful career in this rapidly evolving digital world. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more insights, and do not forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Also, drop a comment sharing with us what according to you are the top 5 skills to learn in 2024. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and I will see you in the digital space.